Our Cashflow Excel template makes it easy if you have advanced or prepaid sales to spread those sales over the cash flow forecast period. So it's best to explain that and show by way of example. On the data sheet, it's very straightforward to enter amounts that you receive or invoice in each of the months. So let's assume that in month 1, which in this case is December 2017, you received £15,000. I'm going to assume that that £15,000 is for 3 months. So under the terms, we can set prepayments anything from 1 month prepaid to 24 months prepaid. So as this is prepaid for 3 months in advance, I'm going to select that for 3. It's a -3 because this distinguishes between plus and minus. So a +3 would mean that we are allowing credit terms for suppliers, so they pay us in 3 months' time, whereas a -3 means that it's 3 months in advance. Also, what I'm going to quickly do is to change the description, and I'm going to call this Prepaid Sales 1. And now let's look at the trading report. Before I carry on though, I'm going to do a quick Control-N to get rid of all the blank lines to make it a little less confusing. So our first line we've just entered is Prepaid Sales number 1. And you'll see that in December it's brought through the £15,000 that we entered in that month. However, we said to the software that that income represented 3 months worth of prepaid income. So the line that takes care of the prepaid sales is this line across here, which is labelled Advanced Sales Movement. So the Cashflow Excel template has automatically taken out the whole of the 15,000 because it's saying that all of that is prepaid. And you'll see that in January, February and March, it's put in £5,000 in each of those months, representing the prepaid sale amount. So let's now take a look at the profit and loss report. You'll see that the turnover for the profit and loss, there's nothing in December because that was all prepaid, and the £5,000 for January, February and March has been pulled through into each of those months. And if we take a look at the cash flow report, you'll see the full £15,000 is shown in December 2017 for the full amount of money that was received in that month. And finally, on the balance sheet, for each of the months December, January and February, there's a prepaid income amount. At the end of December, the full amount of £15,000, January 10 and February 5, as it gets reduced down when it's released back to the profit and loss account.